Well, hi everyone, and we are back. News Hour with Arnab was amazing today because we were talking about our favorite sport, which was cricket. And what was amusing to see was if Amir Khan said something, maybe just a dialogue, it's hyped. Rahul Gandhi was opposed by a group of students, it's hyped so much, okay, and it's going on repeated, it's got hashtags. And what was the recent issue? Yes, Arvind Kejriwal hugging Lalu Prasad Yadav is hyped again with I don't know, enormous hashtags and a lot of things. But today, what I saw on the news hour tonight was one of the persons calling the terrorism from basically the debate was all about that you should not allow the India-Pakistan series. India has invited Pakistan for a series, for a match, and they did not want this to happen. And one of the panel members, of course with a little late windows, started telling we are so against this Islamic terrorism. Okay, first of all, try to understand. Terrorism is person specific or country specific. It cannot be religion specific. Okay, Muslims are not terrorists, Christians are not terrorists, Hindus are not terrorists. So that was a wrong usage. There was one guy who actually pointed out, stating that you cannot, just specifically say that it is Islamic terrorism. The terminology is wrong. Out of nowhere, there's like, okay, fine, it is Pakistani terrorism. Okay, if that is what you want to hear, it's Pakistani terrorism. Guys, get this right. There is you just can't wash away. When you suddenly catch on to a dialogue, and if you have such jeopardizing moments when you say Amir Khan said that he would like to go out of the country, is this what the country has given him? Is this how he's going to reward this country? Who is he to go out of the country? Has it not given him enough? Okay, fine. You can actually speak about Rahul Gandhi telling that he was just talking about women empowerment. He's going on answering women empowerment for every question that Arnab Goswami asked. And today there was one panel member who actually said, there's nothing to make fun of. Today's vlog of mine is just out of that frustration that, I don't know, I felt so unequal, unequal. I'm sorry. It was bad. When one of the panel members actually called it Islamic terrorism, I didn't understand why would he not oppose it. Rather, he supported that guy and said, okay, fine, not Islamic terrorism, let's call it Pakistan terrorism. Is that okay? We will call it You're not doing a favor, dude. It is a fact. It's a bloody fact. Okay, so if something went wrong on your news hour, you don't want to highlight that. But yes, one line by one celebrity will be the talk of the town, and you will have a lot of hashtags and you will have people demanding on that. But one question is something that actually, comes in my mind. I agree, maybe we should not pick cricket. Maybe it's sending out a message that, we are not interested in having any relationships with you. But how is that gonna help? The UN itself says that unless and until you have some kind of a talk with Pakistan, you cannot solve issues. Let us assume that you don't want to have talks, okay, and your tolerancy or your tolerant India is, being very tolerant and not really doing anything about what Pakistan has been doing to Indians or to India itself. But how is it gonna help? Okay, fine, let's not play cricket. But if you don't want Pakistan to actually come and, bomb your places, you're gonna show some kind of you're just gonna do something to them, right? What would that be? Okay, not playing cricket, but maybe go bomb one of their places. You can do that, right? Of course, you are the tolerant India, so you won't do that. You would rather invite them, come to Mumbai, do that blast again, it's okay. And we'll run after some person, Hafiz Syed is in Pakistan, he's roaming freely, and we are going to play cricket with that country. How is that? That's really a lot of tolerance that you're showing. But guys, please, these kind of debates, I'm honestly not against Arnab Goswami or the News Hour. My issue is, as an individual, when I see that show, I feel that a lot of people who are watching the show along with me might feel the same. I just believe that maybe they also feel the same. And when you are going to, create the stereotype that Muslims are terrorists, Islam is terrorist, I am against that. It's not that. Islam is not terrorist. Islam does not teach terrorism. And moreover, if you're going to call 8 people who are going to argue, somebody is going to make a point which might sound valid to some people, and they might start thinking, oh, that's true. What he's telling is true. Why? Why would somebody do that? You know, it might play with that. The mindset of a person is very easy to be manipulated, and with little terminologies and words, that is when a person agrees to a situation. And if you're going to talk like that, it will not help the country. So Arnab Goswami, really, you're not helping the country. You're trying to create more confusion, and a lot of people talking in against with certain topics are just is not in anybody's favor. So maybe, you know, guys, when you watch the News Hour tonight, I know I'm always sarcastic, and today I might be sounding a lot more serious about it. But honestly, when you watch the News Hour tonight, try to keep a neutral mindset and try to think from the other person's side as well, okay? Today, if that guy is criticizing, I don't know, maybe he's criticizing the Congress party for everything. There might be something that the Congress party did right? And there might be something that the BJP party might be doing wrong. There might be something that the Aam Aadmi party did right and might be doing wrong. I don't know. But just think from all the ends and don't just create an opinion of your own. And I would just end the vlog with just one little thing. If the series had a sanction, okay, it has to come from the government, which is the BJP. The amusing thing here is, how come nobody is raising questions whether how the central government gave permission for this kind of a series? No, just think about it. Okay, I'll end with that. See you guys. Bye-bye.